guys, my name is Lacey. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm starting a new channel. Just me learning how to cook vegan food. I've been cooking for a long time, but I recently, about 2.5 weeks ago, changed my diet over to a completely plant-based diet, which was a very big change. And I'm learning all kinds of new stuff, and I got people asking me questions about things, so I figured maybe it might be easier to just show you what I'm doing rather than trying to tell you. So I'm gonna do my best and we're gonna learn together. A lot of people ask me why I've gone plant-based, and the real answer is my health. For a long time I've been battling a lot of things, and weight and just overall not feeling well. And I actually watched a movie called Game Changers, and I saw the guy that made the movies, an ex-UFC fighter, and he was on Joe Rogan, and he was arguing all these points about fiber and protein and being able to get all these minerals from just plants, and basically making very sound arguments. So I ended up going to watch the movie Game Changers, and I threw out all of my animal products that day. So I've been completely plant-based since then and loving it. In the past, I didn't really like tofu. I have a history of having some sketchy recipes, but I've learned that if you know how to cook and you season it, it is amazing. You can use it for so many things, and there's so many things that I haven't even tried yet. So you guys are gonna come on this journey with me. Since going plant-based, I have almost completely gotten rid of headaches that I used to deal with every single day. I mean, obviously, every once in a while you still feel kind of crappy, but I'm only 2.5 weeks in, and my headaches that have been a steady part of my life for the last years are all but gone, and that's pretty impressive to me, as well as some pretty intense brain fog and confusion that I dealt with on a daily basis, which is also almost completely gone. And that is a huge deal, because being a chef at my job, I really need to be able to focus and be able to know what's going on around me and not be confused all the time. So this has been a major improvement in my life, and I want to hear your stories. If any of you have stories that improvements in your health or anything that you have gained from going plant-based or anything else, please share them with me. If you guys have any questions or ideas for videos, something you would like to see me make, also share that with me. I'm down to try all kinds of stuff. So if you like what you see, please subscribe. No hate in the comments, okay? If you got something nasty to say, go somewhere else with that shit. We're gonna be all love and harmony over here, and we're gonna make some good food.